So this is my 3-bit adder, and this is what's going to be controlling the 3-bit adder. So the reason why this is showing the number 3 is because the 3 switches are still on, but once I turn off one of the switch, so if I turn this off, it goes to 2, which is this. You can see the 2, and then if I go back and then turn this back on, it goes to 3. So now we have 3 deep switch, which are, sorry, my wires are so actually I have 3 deep switch. We have 1, 2 and 3. If you can see the deep switch, we have 1, 2 and 3. So if I turn off 2 and 3, it goes to 1. So if we go back here, we notice that we have number 1 here. So now if we turn on the second switch, so now what it's doing, it's actually summing up numbers. So 1, if this is on, that's 1 is on, and the second one is on, so it should give us 2, which is this.